Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video we are going to talk about how you can set up BTV on your Amazon Fire TV device. But before we start the video, let's start with a brief introduction because most of people saying in the comment box, is BTV legal for Firestick users? So the answer is simple, yes, BTV is completely legal for Firestick users because it does not offer anything on its own. Instead, it works like Google that search links from different websites throughout the internet and provide it one place. So if you stick with me for just few minutes more, and I'm gonna show you how you can install BTV on your Firestick device step by step. Let's begin. Okay, so in the Firestick home screen, first of all, what you have to do, you need to turn on apps from unknown source. Without this, you cannot sideload any app on your Fire TV device. So just press remote home button for few seconds and this menu appear on your screen. Now here, go to settings, press remote select button, slide down and select my Fire TV. Now press remote select button, again slide down and click on developer options. So here what you have to do, you need to turn on both of these options. First one is ADB dipping. Now slide down and click on apps from unknown source. Click turn on, and as you can see both of these options are turned on. Now go back home screen, and here we need to install downloader app that is used to sideload apps on Fire TV device. So just hover to find, slide down, click on search. Now type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. Slide down, click on downloader, and here click on orange color downloader icon. Press remote select button, and as you can see downloader app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded, and it will be installed automatically on your Amazon Fire TV device. So the downloader app has been installed. Now click on open to launch it. When you launch this app first time, it will ask you allow some permissions, file, photos and file manager. So click on allow and then press OK to dismiss quick start guide. And guys, this is the home screen of downloader app. That is only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So hover to the small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type here app URL address that is showing on your screen. Now type here app code that is showing on your screen. 82614. After typing code, slide down and click on go button, and it will connect into server. After that, app downloaded on your and guys, as you can see, BTV is downloaded. Now click on install button. After installing this application, click on done button and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete. Again, now press remote home button, and here go to application section, press remote select button, and here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire TV device. Slide down and highlight BTV app. Now press remote 3-line menu button. Slide down and click on move to front. And as you can see, BTV is front of your all Amazon application. So guys, I'm not launching this app because this is legal for YouTube terms. So you can use this method to download this application on your Fire TV device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you. Please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. I will see you guys next video. Take care.